Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a quick walk around video and start up and grass cutting with my Sovereign petrol push lawnmower. So yeah, it's got I'm pretty sure it's a 6 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. Yeah, you've got your petrol here and you've got your oil here, and then yeah, you've got your throttle here. The higher it goes up, the more throttle you give it, and then the lower it goes down, the less throttle you give it. Here you've got, it's basically your on and off switch. When you hold it in, it's basically on. When you push it out, it turns off. And then here you've got your self-propelled sort of like lever. So yeah. And then round at the front, here you have your primer. You just push it in about 6 times. So yeah, I'll just quickly start it up. And yeah, so first of all what you're going to do is you're going to check the oil. You just turn it and then pull it out. That looks about right. Yep, that's good. And then next we're going to check your petrol. See if it's got enough petrol. Yeah, it's got some petrol in it. That'll do. Right, now we're going to start it up. So what you're going to do is, like I said, you're going to push your primer in maybe 6 times. Right, now you've primed it, you're going to pull this lever up, or sort of a handle, and then you're going to give it not quite full throttle, but almost full throttle, and then yeah, you just pull and pull. So here we go. There we go, and it leaves quite a good cut. I don't know how well you can see that on the video, but it leaves a good cut. So yeah, and to take your grass collector off, all you do is pull that up and then it comes off like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing. And yeah, bye.